Hello YouTube review team. Today is August 12, 2025. Last night, I received an email stating that my channel is no longer eligible for monetization. In this appeal video, I will show exactly how I create my content step by step. I want to clarify that my content does not violate YouTube's monetization policies. Everything I upload is created and edited by me, ensuring it is original, transformative, and fully compliant with the guidelines. My channel name is Streamclips and this is my URL. I understand that my channel was removed from the YouTube Partner Program due to reuse content. I respect YouTube's monetization policies and I want to explain the action I have taken to ensure my channel now meets all the required standards. First of all the videos on this channel are edited by me to provide a unique touch and deliver the best entertainment experience possible. I put significant time and effort into transforming the source material into something new, engaging, and original for my audience. Now, I will tell you about my content. Each video I upload is highly transformative, featuring original commentary, creative editing, and my own personal style. I incorporate voiceovers, on-screen reactions, custom graphics, and narrative structure to add value and present a fresh perspective on the original material. The goal is not to simply re-upload clips, but to create something entirely different that tells a story or conveys a new meaning. Now, I will explain how I create my videos. First, I edit them on my PC setup using CapCut. I apply various effects, add background music that is copyright free, and include sound effects that I have the rights to use. I also add subtitles to enhance viewer engagement and accessibility. All the videos on this channel are fully eligible for monetization. I created and edit all content myself, ensuring it is highly transformative and original. Each video features my own unique commentary, reactions, voiceovers, and creative edits that add significant value and offer a completely new reviewing experience compared to the original material. Moving forward, I am committed to maintaining the standard of originality and creativity for every upload. My channel will continue to be a place where viewers can enjoy unique, engaging, and policy-compliant content that reflects my personal effort and creative vision. Thank you for taking the time to review my appeal. I look forward to the opportunity to rejoin the YouTube Partner Program and continue sharing my original work with the community. Sincerely, Jemrick Loreto Cappuccino, Streamclips.